Homes, and it has been the perfect remedy for our drafty basements. So first of all, you get 3 different ways that you can hang this. I opted for the heavy duty Velcro because it's a doorway. It was just the simplest option, but they also give you these nice metal hooks that can go through the loops, or there's a pocket that a curtain rod can slide through. So whether it's a drafty door or a window, you can use this. Number 2, the quality of the fabric. You could tell straight out of the package, it's heavy duty, it's thick, it's durable, it's gonna last. And then number 3, I was just so impressed at how well it actually worked. It stopped the cold air from seeping through my house, running my heating bill up, and it's so easy. I can take this down during the summer if I want to and put it up in the winter or change it depending on my needs. So if you have a drafty door or a window, you have to try this out from RYB Homes. They are a game changer.